Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll share some practical tips on how to score 15 plus in primers and why it's essential. So without any further delay, let's get started. So the first question arises that what are these primers? So basically primers are a set of modules including some assessments like pre-quiz and post-quiz to evaluating your progress. Now, particularly for PADA candidates, PADA stands for Packaged App Development Associate. There are 7 different sections in primers, and now they are categorized as electives and some mandatory courses. So electives के अंदर आपका programming, DBMS and cloud storage ये तीनों options होगा. And within programming you will get 3 options like Java, Python and .NET. So you have to choose any one of those options, and again you will get 3 options in DBMS like MySQL, SQL using Oracle and MongoDB, that is NoSQL. And within cloud storage you will get AWS, Google Cloud and Azure. तो ये आपका हो गया electives पे. Now coming back to the mandatory courses, you will get GenAI, Web Technologies, Agile and DevOps and Software Fundamentals. ये हो गया आपका mandatory courses. Now you might be wondering, why do I need to score 15 plus in primers? अगर आपका 15 या 15 से ज़्यादा स्कोर होगा तो you will get 10k bonus, that is 10,000, and overall training program you need to maintain 60% criteria, that is your passing criteria. Otherwise you need to reappear for tests. आपका अगर 60% से कम होगा तो एक्सेंचर में रीटेस्ट देना पड़ता है. आपके दोनों रीटेस्ट का ऑप्शंस होगा, रीटेस्ट 1, RT1, RT2. If you maintain a good score in primers, you can be confident even if you score less in your TechGenix. TechGenix का मतलब है आपका जो stream training होगा वो. We will discuss about some strategies. आप जब Accenture join करेंगे, within 14 to 15 days, an examination will be conducted by Accenture. मैंने जो वीडियो में एक्सप्लेन किया था about electives and that mandatory courses, वहाँ से electives has more weightage. Each topic, electives के each topic से आपका at least 4 questions होगा ही. तो 4 into 3 equals to 12. अगर आपने electives पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देंगे तो वहाँ से आपका जो passing criteria, that is 60%, वहाँ से आपका generate हो जाएगा. And mandatory courses से at least 2 questions होगा. तो आपका total topic है 4, तो 4 into 2 हो गया 8. So this is how you can prioritize important topics, and you can expect 8 to 12 direct questions from pre-quiz and post-quiz. 5 easy questions which you answer within few seconds, and 3 to 4 questions are moderate level where you have to think wisely while answering it. With this strategy, you can score 15 plus easily. So that's it for today, guys. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more career tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions about primers or other Accenture tips. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.